Hi everybody, welcome to our first day journaling together. Now before I journal, I always do a breathing exercise for 1 minute to 3 minutes depending. I've left a video up on the Facebook page of a breathing exercise I do. I think there's one on my Instagram, but it's basically just a breathing in for 5 seconds, holding for 5 seconds, and then exhaling for 5 seconds, and doing that for 1 minute to 3 minutes before you pick up the pen. Now every day for the next 7 days, we're going to start our practice in the same way, and that's with 2 questions. 2 things we're grateful for and 2 things we're proud of ourselves for. Now I'll just explain a little bit about that. The gratitude is really just tuning into the energy of gratitude before we start journaling. Really sets us up quite powerfully. Now, what I did notice myself was after a few days, I was saying the same things every day, and it wasn't quite working in the same way. I was kind of mindlessly writing my mother, my sister. So what I'm going to ask all of us to do over the next 7 days is to stretch that awareness of gratitude and write 2 new things every day. And that will, as I said, really stretch us to look around us or look within to find 2 new things to be grateful for every day. Now, 2 things we're proud of ourselves for. I personally obviously found this a little bit strange at the beginning, and some of you might as well. A lot of us can associate being proud with productivity and with our jobs and with doing. And as we're all at home now and our lives look a little different, we're going to have to look at ourselves maybe in a different way and being proud of ourselves. So maybe it's like going to bed early or cooking a meal or ringing a friend. And what we're doing is strengthening this voice, this inner coach voice, this voice of self-recognition and self-acknowledgement. So just 2 things you're proud of yourself for every day and 2 things you're grateful for every day. Now the prompts for today are: what has brought you here? What would you like to get from the 7-day journaling practice? And what could get in the way of you getting that? So I'll repeat that again. What has brought you here? What would you like to get from the 7-day journaling practice? And what could get in the way of you getting that? So all you need now is a pen and a paper, and away you go. And I will see you all tomorrow. Okay, bye.